Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to make training AI video using Google VEO 3. You have probably seen those viral animal CCTV clips on TikTok or maybe Instagram. And then in here we are going to recreate that kind of video step by steps. That's super easy, and by the end you will be able to make your own viral content. First we need a prompt. This is what tells the AI what kind of video to generate. And then in here I like to use ChatGPT to brainstorm. Just open ChatGPT and then just type something like this. For example, on TikTok I saw a viral prompt about a cat and a tiger caught on a night visions. And now I will ask ChatGPT to give me a similar ideas but with different animal. Just type something like this, and then next you will get a list of prompts like this. Just choose one that you like the most. I will choose first prompt. I will copy it, and then next we will optimize the prompt using a JSON format. Now what is JSON? It's basically a structured way of writing text so the AI can understand better. It looks like a little code box with curly brackets. And actually I made a small JSON prompt maker project before, and so I will use ChatGPT again to quickly turn my chosen idea into JSON format. I will type like this. For example like this, and then just copy code. And now let's actually make the video. Just open Google Gemini like this, and then choose create video, this one, and then just paste the prompt, and then when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, like this, let's check out the result. Okay, like this. And I think the result is pretty cool. From a simple idea to a viral AI video in just a minute. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.